Drumming up support, a key to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, drumming up support. Understanding phrases like these can not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of the English language. So, let's explore what it means to drum up support, how to use this phrase in conversation, and why it's important in various contexts. The phrase, drumming up support, refers to the act of actively seeking and encouraging support or enthusiasm for a cause, idea, or project. Imagine someone playing a drum to gather people's attention and rally them together. That's essentially what you're doing, metaphorically speaking, when you're drumming up support. You're trying to generate interest and encourage people to stand behind you or your initiative. Drumming up support can be used in various contexts, from politics, where a candidate might drum up support for their campaign, to business, where an entrepreneur might seek support for a new venture. It's a versatile phrase that conveys action and engagement. For example, a nonprofit organization drumming up support for a charity event, an author drumming up support for their upcoming book release. When using this phrase, it's important to understand that it involves active efforts, like speaking to people, organizing events, or using media to spread your message. Understanding and using phrases like drumming up support can significantly impact your communication skills. It shows a proactive approach to bringing people together and rallying them towards a common goal. Whether you're leading a project, advocating for change, or simply trying to gather friends for an event, being able to drum up support is a valuable skill. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, drumming up support, and how you can use it to enhance your English communication. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas, emotions, and actions effectively. So, keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to drum up support for your own endeavors. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.